Hi everyone, this is JJUNA OPPA. Today we are going to learn about the progressive tense, which means I am verb ing in Korean. I would say it's very easy because there is no complicated grammar. There is only one verb ending and that's it. For the present tense, you add 고 있다 to the verb, and for the past tense, you add 고 있었다 after the verb. The only difference between them is the presence of ot in the middle. If you include ot in the middle, it's the past tense. If you don't, it's the present tense. It's so simple that there's nothing more to explain. Let's just look at some examples. 영화를 보고 있어요. I am watching a movie. After the verb 보다, the verb ending 고 있다 is added. 고 있다 is the present progressive tense, so it means I am watching. 싼 티켓을 찾고 있어요. I'm looking for a cheap ticket. After the verb 찾다, the verb ending 고 있다 is added, so it becomes I am looking for. 보이 그룹이 춤을 추고 있어요. The boy group is dancing. After the verb 춤추다, the verb ending 고 있다 is added, so it means the boy group is dancing. 30분 전에 공부하고 있었어요. I was studying 30 minutes ago. After the verb 공부하다, the verb ending 고 있었다 is added. 고 있었다 is the past progressive tense, so it means I was studying. 저는 어제 일하고 있었어요. I was working yesterday. After the verb 일하다, the verb ending 고 있었다 is added, so it means I was working. 선생님은 수업하고 있었어요. The teacher was teaching a class. After the verb 수업하다, the verb ending 고 있었다 is added, so it means the teacher was teaching. Today we learned about the progressive tense in Korean. That's it for today's lesson, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Now let's move on to some practice questions. 저는 지금 밥을 먹고 있어요. 민지는 도서관에서 책을 읽고 있어요. 친구가 저에게 전화하고 있어요. 우리는 카페에서 이야기하고 있어요. 지금 뛰고 있어요. 형은 방에서 게임하고 있었어요. 어제 밤에 음악을 듣고 있었어요. 아까 친구와 이야기하고 있었어요. 그 사람은 자고 있었어요. 한국어를 공부하고 있었어요.